Are you struggling? You can maintain the gorgeous effects of your teeth whitening treatment? In this short video, we'll discuss techniques and tips that will make sure your smile stays shining and whiter for longer. In the first place, it is crucial to adhere to healthy oral hygiene practices regularly. That means brushing your teeth at least 2 times each day, regularly flossing, as well as using mouthwash to fight off bacteria and improve your breath. When you maintain your teeth as fresh and free of food particles and plaque, it will prevent staining from developing and preserve your results from whitening. As well as maintaining good oral hygiene practices in addition to regular oral hygiene, you should take note of the things you consume and consume. Certain beverages and food items, including coffee or red wine, tea, and berries, can discolor your teeth with some time. For a better chance of avoiding discoloration, be sure to reduce your consumption of these drinks or foods, and brush your teeth as soon as you have finished having consumed the drinks. Consuming plenty of water throughout the day may assist in washing out any colorants that might make your teeth look stained. Another important aspect to keep your results in whitening your teeth is making sure you visit your dentist frequently for checkups as well as cleanings. An expert cleaning will remove all plaque and stains that you aren't in a position to get at with routine flossing and brushing. Dental professionals can also offer cosmetic treatments that will maintain your teeth looking their finest. If you're a smoker, quit smoking of the best decisions that you can make for your oral health and for the endurance of your teeth whitening result. Smoking cigarettes not only stain the teeth, but also raises your chance of suffering from gum disease as well as other dental health issues. When you quit smoking to quit smoking, you will be able to keep your teeth healthy and boost your overall health. The use of whitening toothpaste or even products for touch-ups will assist in keeping your teeth's whitening results in between professional treatments. The products are made up of ingredients that help remove stains and enhance your smile with time. But it's important that you follow the guidelines, be cautious, and do not use too much of these products since they may harm your enamel when used improperly. In the end, defending your teeth from harm is vital to keep the effectiveness of your teeth whitening. Refraining from habits like chewing the ice, opening packages with your teeth, and using your teeth as tools will help avoid chips and fractures that may cause damage to your smile. The use of a mouthguard when doing sports or other physically demanding activities may also safeguard your teeth from injuries. Maintaining your results in whitening your teeth will require a mix of routines for oral hygiene, regularly scheduled dental appointments. With these suggestions and being aware of the foods you consume and drink, you will keep your smile bright and stunning for the years to follow. A well-balanced smile makes a happier smile.